We got the camper set up. And then over here we've got Mama and Daddy set up. Hello, Mother.
Hi.
Hello, Father.
Hello, daughter.
Dangle, hop up. Tyson, let's go to the beach. Good boy. Bella, hop up. Hop up. This is the campsite right across from us that was booked, so we couldn't get a waterfront spot. But they haven't showed up yet. So we're gonna come and use their spot. But look how cool this is. You've got your steps down to the water. So hopefully they don't show up for a while. And we're gonna do some swimmings. There's the lake. This is Lake Hartwell. Tyson, you swimming? And here's Bella. Bella, you wanna do some swimmings? We've got the puppies just hanging out, watching us. We've got Horace, Mama, and Daddy way across there. So with Horace's goggles, he found an American flag hat, some sort of clip, lots of little lure worms, and he found 2 pairs of very grubby goggles. And he found 2 awesome pairs of glasses. These ones look pretty cool, and these ones with this cool little strap, lanyard. Here we have the beach. They've got the designated swim area. A nice little playground. And there's the pups. There's 2 public beaches here. This is one of them. Are you wanting to go on the beach?
I don't think it would be that deep. This side must get deep fast.
Sorry, no dogs allowed. Yeah, that's the only bad part. No dogs are allowed on the swim beaches. Here's the second beach area. This is the spot we need next time.
I'll check its availability.
Alright, and back at camp we have Mother May I. Mother May I, how was your nap?
I couldn't go to sleep.
Why?
Very relaxing.
Why?
I just couldn't sleep because I was very relaxed. How was the walk? We had gotten off.
Horace has his fan in front of him. Mama has her fan in front of her. And Daddy's next to a candle.
And we have a fire going.
And we have a fire going, but we're as far away from it as possible.
Look how my thumbs up works.
Oh, Daddy, would you like to document your injury?
This is a cutoff wheel injury.
Cutoff wheel took out a chunk of his finger. Yuck.
We're gonna roast marshmallows and put them in between chocolate chip cookies.
Soft chocolate chip.
Oh, look, it's already cooking.
That's still a really good deal.
Whoa, that's a good shot.
Whoa.
Wow. That actually looked amazing.
Wow.
And the verdict is?
It's yummy.
What should we call these?
S'more.
Of course, you gotta put 2. You burned yourself and then dropped your marshmallow?
The metal is hot.
Is that as gooey as hers was?
You gotta put 2 in there.
Well, don't feed that to a dog yet.
Yeah, Tyson scalded his face off. Alright, we're down here. Horace has a light set up. Me and Tyson are down here with him. He's doing some nighttime fishing. That boat out there with all the lights on it was spear fishing, or I guess bow and arrow fishing. Tyson, what do you think? Are you having fun? Look how nice this spot is. They got a little beachy area. The people never came to this spot. This is the same spot we've been at. Across from us, they never came. They reserved it all weekend and never came, so we've just been using their little beach access. Welcome to Kelsey's Campground Kitchen. Today, we're making pancakes. We forgot non-stick spray, so I'm just using, yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
So yesterday morning, we had blueberry pancakes. This morning, Horace wanted chocolate chip pancakes. So he went through and picked all the chocolate chips out of the trail mix. Being innovative. These people right here, they've got a yapping dog. Mother, come on.
I gotta get dressed. That's what I'm trying to do.
And there you have it. The perfect chocolate chip, peanut butter chip, campground pancakes. Mother, breakfast is ready. 99 has arrived. They showed up Sunday morning. We made it back home, but the unfortunate part about packing up your stuff when it's wet is you gotta unpack it when you're home and let it air dry.
And the best part about living on the lake, you come home for vacation, and then you go hang out on the lake for more vacation.
Bye.